Imagine typing a prompt or uploading a photo and getting a fully editable 3D world you can walk through, reshape, and export. That is Marble, the first commercial world model from Fei-Fei Li's World Labs, and it is pushing the entire world model race forward. World Labs raised $230 million just a year ago, and now it is ahead of rivals like Descartes, Odyssey, and Google's Genie, by delivering persistent, downloadable 3D environments instead of unstable, on-the-fly worlds. Marble lets users build from text, images, videos, 3D layouts, or panoramas, and export everything as Gaussian splats, meshes, or videos. Before we go deeper, like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment so you do not miss the next update. One standout feature is Chisel, a new 3D editor that lets you block out a scene's structure before the AI fills in the visual details. You can move objects, guide the style, and even expand a world once to add more space. For even larger creations, Composer Mode lets you combine multiple worlds into massive environments. Marble's plans range from a free tier with 4 generations to the max tier at $95 a month with 75 generations and full features. Early use cases include gaming, VFX, VR, and robotics. Developers can pull environments into Unity and Unreal, VFX teams get precise camera control, and VR users can explore every world today on Vision Pro or Quest 3. Fei-Fei Li says this is just the beginning. If language models teach machines to read and write, world models like Marble could teach them to see, build, and understand how things interact in 3D space. That shift could change far more than games. It could transform robotics, science, and medicine. Watch the related video in the corner to go deeper into the future of AI world models. And if this breakdown helped you, hit like, subscribe, comment, and share it with someone who follows the AI race. It makes a real impact.